Hello friends, welcome back to another session. In this session we will learn header exchange. In the last session we did topic exchange, and topic exchange is used to send the message to a queue on the basis of pattern matching. Wherever the pattern is matching, your exchange will forward that message to a particular queue. Now we will see how we can configure header exchange and how we can use header exchange in Spring Boot application. So first thing that we need to do the configuration in our producer. So what configuration we need to do? Exchange name queue that we will use same as however we were using in the last. Same, we will not change the name of queue and exchange. Next, here we need to add some more values, header name and value. In HTTP protocol there is a header in a request. In header there will be header value and header name and header value. This is also following the similar structure. So you must provide header name and header value. Wherever the header name and header value is matching, it will forward to the corresponding queue. So first what we need to do, we need to add the header name, 3 header name and 3 header values we need to configure. Okay, so first we will configure in producer. Yeah, this is our producer. So in our producer file, we can remove this exchange. You just note down this in your booklet, what is the use of star and what is the use of hash. We will remove this one. In header exchange, the story will be somewhat different, little bit different, because there will be 2 values now, header name and header value. So just I am giving in this way, header name, header value, that's it. The second change that we need to do, instead of topic exchange, we need to give here header exchange from same topic, org.springframework.amqp.core. from this one we need to take header exchange. Okay, so here instead of topic exchange you need to give here header exchange. What happened? Headers exchange. Okay. So exchange, my exchange, it's created. Queue, that is okay, you no need to do anything. My queue exchange. Now here you have to give here header exchange. So in case of header exchange, where any header key and value, where any header key and header value we have to specify. Let me see in the configuration how we have. Okay, that's it. Where header name matches with header value, that's it. This header name is matching with this header value. It's not a constant, simply in the same class only we are defining. You can write in constant in a other constant file for better code cleaning so that whenever you have to change, you just have to change to the corresponding class, and it will be applied for wherever it is using. So that is also a recommended way to place all the constant variables in a single class. Okay. So header name, first binding that we are doing with using header name. What is header name? Header name is my header value. This is my header value, my header 1 hval1 header value, my header 2 hval2, my header 3 hval3. Name value you can give anything, just simply for easy to understand I am giving this values name so that you will differentiate. This is header 2, header 1, header 2, header 3, header value 1, header value 2, header value 3. Simple. Second, also just make this same changes, topic exchange, instead of topic exchange give this one, and just you have to give here this one. That's it. Copy this one and give it this one. That's it. Okay, that's it. Very simple. Third, also just give header exchange, and this also you just have to copy, just copy this one, paste it here. The name you need to change. The second binding q2 has to bind it with the second header name, header 2 value. This is header name 3, headers name 3, header name 3 value. So this is the configuration of header exchange configuration. Is it okay? Yes, it's fine. You don't need to do any other configuration here. That is the configuration only. That's it. Now the configuration that you need to do in your service. What configuration you need to do in your configuration? What configuration you need to do? Exchange name. Okay, so this exchanges you have to do. So previously, if you see rabbit template dot convert and send, if you go to your service of producer, so if inside your service you are sending convert and send, rabbit template convert and send, this is exchange name, okay, that is okay. This is exchange name. This one, because there is no routing key in this case, in headers exchange there is no routing key, so routing key you have to pass empty string. Third parameter is what? Now third parameter is message. What is message? So you have to create a message. Using this way. This message you have to import from this core message converter. So message converter will convert the message. Message is coming from core. So message we are converting from message converter dot to message. What is message converter? Message converter is a simple message converter. You can create a simple message converter. It's okay. Message converter is there now. Message converter, messaging dot converter, simple message converter. EMQP support converter. Simple message converter is not a subtype of this one. Okay, so simple message converter you have to import from message converter dot simple message converter, and message converter will to message. Which message it will convert? the message that we are sending. What is the message property? Now inside message property you have to specify your header name and value. Header name and value, message property. This is your message property. com.RabitMQ client or com message property. Yes, that is message property. Message property. I think we are not importing from the correct one. This is not that message property, I think. Let me do one thing in this case. Simply I will import these all. We'll see from which one we have to take which class. Okay. Auto add also I removed. Okay. So Spring framework.bean and stereotype, you just put it downside. RabitMQ config. Okay, that is fine. So this exchange anyway it's not required. You have to remove this one. Header name and header value you have to set one. So what you need to do, header name you have to pass, then you have to pass header value, header value. Okay, header value. Now header name, just print here header name also, headers name and headers value. Okay, that's it. Just we are printing here. And this message property, now we have to send header name and value in with our message, so that we will send using message property. So we have to create a message property, and this message property you have to import from org.springframework.amqp.core.message property. And this is just simple object we are creating using new keyword. Then we are setting the header. Then we have to set the header name and value we are setting. Then we are creating a simple converter. Simple converter is from which one? Simple converter is coming from Spring framework.amqp supports converter, simple converter. And using this simple converter, just message converter dot to message. What is our message and what is our property? So this is a message. This is our message. So you can give my message, and this my message you can send it here. Just that's it. So this configuration is done. We have to change in controller also, because controller we are calling publish message, we are calling this publish message of a service class. So in this case we need to pass header name and value also along with the message. First parameter is a message, second is header name, third is header value. We need to pass this one. So that we have to collect from request. Okay, where is that? Sorry, header name. So header name we can take as the parameter of path variable. Okay, last header value also. So this is our header value, and after comma just pass header value also, so it will work. Next header name, so message plus header, header name plus header value. message comma header name just we are printing here header name headers value simply just generally this is not the what you can say is not the way that how you will do in your project. This is the dynamically why I am passing, so that we can understand instead of changing inside a code and running a application every time. We can do hard code this value, this routing key, header name, header value. We can do hard code in our program, but what we have to do in that case, we need to change that code every time and we have to restart our application. Producer we have to do the changes every time. Producer we need to restart in this case. So that's why I am making this dynamic routing key, this routing key or header name or value, so that we will pass from the browser and we can see the effect instead of restarting the service every time. But generally what happens, header name, header value, routing key has to be configured in your application.property file. Okay, we will see that also in our next example, where we will customize this. Currently the message type is a string only, but generally that won't be the case. Message will be of any other type, user defined data type such as order, customer, user, any of them. Okay, so we have to see that one. We will see in the next session. So just I am printing here header value, header name, message. You can give here message also. This is message. This is message. This is header name, value, header name, header value. That's it. Simply you can just print it. And here header name path variable should be header name, and second parameter also we need to have here, that is a header value, header name and header value. That's it. So the configuration is ready from the producer side. Now what changes has to do in consumer side? Just what changes you need, just write me in the comment section what changes is required to do the changes at consumer side. Only RabitMQ configuration required to change. That's it. So go to consumer, under consumer, go to config, RabitMQ config. Under this RabitMQ config, just replace this configuration. That's it, and save it. Do Control Shift O to remove the unwanted import statement, and Control Shift F to do beautify your code. That's it. Okay, that's it. So the configuration is done now. Now what we have to do next? Next we need to delete the exchange, because this exchange is a type of what? This is a topic exchange, that should be header exchange now. So you just have to delete this one, so it will automatically create new one. Q no need to delete, because Q don't have any effect on that one. Okay, that's it. Now start your consumer. You can start any of them first, doesn't matter, because that is interdependent. So I'm starting first now consumer, then producer, then consumer. Once it's up, you will see here exchange is created, my exchange. And when you see my exchange type is header, now it's header argument. Now you understand what is the use of argument. Argument is nothing but the header value, header name and value, that's it. Okay, fine. So here hello is our message, hello is our message. Now this will not work, at all. So hello is our message. What is the header name? What is header name? Show me the header name. Open the configuration file once and we'll see what is header name of my header one is the header key, header name. And what is the value of this header? val1, header value 1. So now when I press enter, to which queue the message will be published? Tell me, write me in the comment section, and tell to which queue the message will be published. I'm just clearing, meanwhile you just write me in the comment section. The message will send to which queue. Exchange will send the message to which queue? Write me in the comment section. So I'm going to hit this one and just see whether is it correct that you have given the answer or wrong. Message is hello, header name is my header 1, header value is hval1. Go to that one, yes, my q1. If you have given my q1, it's correct. Okay. What if I will change the header value, just only value to 2? What it will do? It will not call, just it is calling producer. Consumer side, it will not doing anything because that is not matching, Okay. So header name also I will update, to 2. Before to push this one, I am just clearing these ones and just send. Now the message should be published to my q2. Yes, my q2 only. Message can be hello, hi, namaste, whatever, anything. Publish to header value 3 and publish to 3, send. Yes, 3. Clear this one, and you can want to try once more, you can do. So this is all about the header exchange. Okay, so if you like this session, please subscribe our channel, write your question in comment section, and please do your financial support also. That is important, so that we also will be able to deliver you the best content. Okay, so I hope you like this session. Please subscribe my channel, and we will see you in the next session. Thank you and have a nice day.